Hello, this is a short video showing how you can use PowerNotes to create, distribute, and manage reading activities for elementary school classes. PowerNotes is flexible and can be used in many ways across all grade levels. In this example, we've built a template for reading comprehension exercises that can be used all together or broken into independent reading exercises. Teachers can create similar templates to send to students to guide them through their assigned readings. In this example on the screen, we've added a title, a description for the teacher to reference, and then a handful of colorful topics from compare and contrast, main ideas and support details, all the way down through potential prediction worksheets. This is meant to serve as an example. However, as you can imagine, different reading activities can be built based on each of these topics. Within PowerNotes, teachers build out these templates and assign them alongside of readings. PowerNotes can be used on top of all digital content that can be opened up in the browser. We also have a number of AI integrated features that are controlled by the teachers. Students will only see them if the teacher enables them. Now that we've built out this project template, let's add some parameters to it. So when we're creating an assignment, we can give it a name, we can add due dates, and we have a few configurations. What we really want to point out here is Insight and AI. Starting with AI, teachers can decide when the AI features are enabled, how many AI tokens the students can use, and which AI features are necessary for that specific assignment. Our AI integrations are currently powered by OpenAI and Anthropic. Schools can decide which AI models to integrate, and we have plans to add other AI providers in the future. Insight is our way for teachers to measure real student engagement. When you're using Insight, students cannot take shortcuts, cheating the process to get to the final output. Insight, ensures that students are actually engaging with the assignment as they should be. So you can start by adding the number of required sources that the students will need to read. You can add the total number of annotations that they will need to capture. And you can add the target time spent that they should spend engaging with the readings. From there, you send out the project to all of the students in your class, and every student will receive their own version of this project. In this example, we have a source on the rules of tag. PowerNotes is part browser extension, so it will work on top of PDFs, it will work on top of ebook platforms, anywhere the students will need to go. When they're reading, they can enable the PowerNotes sidebar, which shows their own version of that project outline right here on the source. So as they are reading, they can take notes. They can also capture information just from highlighting text on the page. When you highlight text, this box will pop up showing the topics available within the reading template. It will then guide the student to annotate the quotes. So you can annotate by making notes on your own, also by annotating at the quote and source level. Every time a quote is captured, PowerNotes will automatically grab a link back to the source so students can never forget where it came from. And we have an automatic citation generator built in. As students are reading and engaging with the material, PowerNotes is tracking what they're doing on that page. Everything from the amount of time they've spent to which sources they've used, how many sources they've used, and of course, what they're doing on top of each source. So in this example, let's pretend that our student here, Jamal, has read through, added some notes based on the assignment criteria, and has captured some information as they are engaging with the assignment. Let's go back to the teacher side. In this example, the teacher will be able to see a dashboard of every student in the class, showing their name. On the left-hand side, they have a link into each student's outline where they can view the outline. They can provide feedback. They can also give comments under individual section. And they have other ways to see inside where the students were engaging. The insight score will show their progress towards the expectations that have been set initially. Once again, these expectations cannot be circumvented by contract cheating or dishonest AI use. We also have an activity log. The activity log will show a detailed log of every event that has taken place in the assignment. So in this example here, you can see that the students started their work at 12:40 p.m. and they started to add topics. The students received it, started adding their work here. Here are the free-form notes they've created. Here's a highlight they captured, where the highlight came from. How much time they've spent will be logged here. So they showed this, in this example, 72 seconds was logged on this page at this time. As you can see, you have a detailed log of everything that the student has done throughout this reading exercise. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, you can go to powernotes.com or contact me at kyle@powernotes.com. Thank you so much for your time.